In this discussion you can see how to use 5,0,0 special command in Odoo, and how to use, what is the purpose of this special command, we will see in this discussion. And in case you missed previous discussion about how to use 4,id special command, please check, link is given in description. And if you are going to here in this playlist, you can see here this Odoo special commands playlist is also available. So if you want to learn more about the missed special commands and what is the purpose, you can use this one. If you are following this channel, Odoo version 13 and 14 development technical training, then you don't need to follow this Odoo playlist, because this is the main playlist of the Odoo. And yes, if you want to learn more about Odoo with the specific topic only, then you can just use this playlist. Like all this playlist covers in this main playlist. So let's back to our main topic today, like how we can use this 5,0 or false. Like right now I added as a false and 0 both, but actually in technical both are the same. Like if you add here 0 or false, or here false or 0, both are the same thing. But the special thing is we need to use this fifth command. Like I mean the 5 is a static digit we have to pass. Now let's back to our main topic. In last discussion we already discussed like how you can add, like using this 4 comma id, like how you can add this record set, right? The missing record set. If you see here this special command 3 comma id, if I click here, just remember, once I will click here, you can see here this, the first record set will delete from this one-to-many list. And let me go to here and duplicate the rec tab and trying to open student profile and search here Kapil. Now you can see this 3 record set is available. Once I will try to click this button, you can see now 2 record set is available, like 313 id is missing. But if you go to here and refresh the page, you can see this 313 id is available here. Only the difference is you just see Odoo automatically remove the school profile from the student model, and here you can see this 313 id automatically remove. But if you want to back that id, you have to click to this special, you have to use this special command 4 comma id. So you can see this is now available. So this is the magic of this special command. Now if you want to remove all record set but not permanently delete from the database, that time you can use 5,0 special command. 3 comma id special command is used to only remove a specific id, but if you want to remove all the record set from one to many, that time you can use 5,0 special command. Like how to use, let's see. I'm going to an editor. Let me open this school profile, and now you overwrite like how we are using the special commands here. So by the way, I'm using here static IDs to understand more, but you can also follow the same thing but using a dynamic ID based on your one-to-many field. This is for the understanding purpose. I'm using here this static IDs, but in real practice we have to pass out here the dynamic ID. Okay, anyway, let's go to use like special command 5. Here like we have to add only that field name, one-to-many field name, like school underscore list, and simply we have to pass here like 5,0,0. That's it. And I'm going to here in the school view and trying to add here one more button. special command 500 in terminal. Just going to restart the service plus upgrade the module. Let me minimize this one, and I'm going back to the front end side and refresh the page. Now you can see here one more button will automatically add, which is special command 500. Okay, all right, it's here. Now I'm just trying to click this button. You can see here all one-to-many list remove from here, and once I'm going to here and trying to refresh the page, you can see school reference automatically remove from here for this IDs. But you can see here using this command it won't be permanently remove the record set. So that's the beauty of special command you can use in your parent model operation. I hope you understood this 5,0,0 special command. In case you have any doubt or query, please comment below and see you in next session.